In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pandadoc Invoice form. By the end, you will know how to start from a template, customize the invoice, enable payments, send it to the right people, and then track payment progress. Begin by going to your Pandadoc workspace and opening the Documents area. This is where you create and manage files you send out. From here, click the plus Create button, then choose Templates. Templates are a great starting point because the structure is already built, and you only need to customize the details for your business and your client. Next, use the search bar and type Invoice. You will see invoice template options appear. Select the layout that best matches what you want your invoice to look like, then choose Use this template. At this point, the invoice opens in the editor, and you can start filling in the information. Now focus on the content of the invoice. Click into the pricing table to add items. This is where you enter your products or services, descriptions, quantities, and prices, so the totals calculate correctly. Take your time here, since accurate line items help prevent confusion later. After that, use the text blocks to add your company information. This is where you typically place details like your business name, address, and any invoice notes. Keep the wording clear and consistent, so the recipient can quickly understand what they are being billed for. When the invoice content is set, you will set up payment. Click Extensions, then select Payment. This allows the recipient to pay through the document. In the payment settings, assign the payer by choosing the correct signer. This ensures the right person is responsible for completing the payment step. Finally, add your recipients. Make sure each recipient is assigned the correct role, especially the payer. Once everything looks correct, click Send. After sending, you can monitor progress and payment activity by checking the Payments tab. This is where you can track the payment status and confirm when payment has been completed. That covers everything you need to know.